guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I curled this beautiful hair that I received from Celie hair. They sent me their Brazilian body wave in a 22-inch, and honestly I'm loving this hair. It's so soft and silky and it holds my curls really well, as you can tell. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Like always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. The first thing I did when I received the wig was wash it. So this is the natural state with no products or anything in it. Up next, I spray some of my Silk Elements heat protection spray, which also gives the hair some shine. So all I do is divide the hair in smaller sections and start prepping it to be curled. So the curling one that I use is the Conair curling one. To be honest, I don't remember where I bought it or how much it was. I've had it for about 6 years now, so sorry, but I'm pretty sure any curling one will do for this style. So as you can see, the curls are very nice and bouncy. This is pretty much all I do for the rest of the hair. So yeah, enjoy the video. Like always, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, why are you here? Anyways, thank you so much.